Hey, Himanshu here from withhimanshu.com. In this video, we will be diving deeper into SEO in a lot different way as you may have seen in other videos and blogs. So SEO get completes in 3 different steps. There is no more to think about when you are doing your SEO, and you cannot really ignore SEO because 60% of internet traffic comes through search engines. No matter how good your social media or paid advertising strategy is, you have to include SEO in your marketing, because the best quality traffic you can ever get comes from search engines. So in this video, let's understand what are these 3 different strategies. If you are new to SEO, if you are doing some kind of SEO and you want to learn more, this video is going to be super helpful. So make sure to watch this video till the end. And before starting, if you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure to do that so that every time when I put a new video, you can get a notification. So let's get this started. First thing is this: keyword research. Keyword research is so important, and most of the people don't give much thinking. When you are doing your keyword research, I want you to imagine a situation. So you can become a small fish in a big pond, or you can become a big fish in a small pond. Okay, so just think about it. There are people who are actually targeting for high volume traffic. That means they are targeting for high volume keyword, where all the authority websites are actually fighting for. That means you want to rank in Google, you want to rank in search engines for one particular keyword. But if you are targeting a high volume keyword where everybody is fighting for, you are only becoming a small fish in a big pond. I want you to become a big fish in a small pond. That means you can find low volume keywords and you can target them, and you will see there is a less competition. There are higher chances to rank for those keywords which are long tail. Okay, that means they are long. For example, instead of targeting for management software, you can target for best management software for students. Okay, so when you are doing this, I want you to think about buyer intent. When you are putting a query in Google management software, you can be anyone who is just thinking, who just want to gather some information about management software. But when you are writing best management software for students, you are actually the person who is interested to buy that software. Okay, so you can apply this strategy in any type of business, right? Now, when you are done with the keyword research, I use a really amazing tool, SEMrush. It's really popular. You can find link in my description, and you can start your free trial of SEMrush. There you will find long tail keywords where you can actually target for, and you will be seeing this keyword difficulty so that you can actually find how difficult it is to rank for that particular keyword. Now, when you are done with the keyword research, next thing is writing a piece of content. So it's no more about keyword stuffing. You cannot include so many keywords and expect that you will be making you will be ranking higher on Google. Now, after machine learning and artificial intelligence has introduced, now it's kind of different to rank in Google. So instead of just thinking about the keyword, you also have to think about the context you are writing in. For example, when you are writing about yoga, you also have to consider meditation. You also have to consider yoga mat, and maybe benefits of yoga, or maybe health improvement, recipes, all these things which are actually related to yoga. That is creating a big context for reader and also for the search engines. And when you will implement context while writing your content, you will see your better ranking, and you will see Google is actually recognizing you as an authority and a quality contributor to the internet. Okay, so now once you are done with your keyword research, with keeping buyer intent and long tail keywords in mind, and you have written a really good piece of content, the next thing which comes is syndication. Once you are done with it, you have to publish your content, and you have to syndicate this content with all the internet. So you can reach out to other bloggers, you can reach out to other influencers, you can reach out to YouTube, you can create a new video regarding that particular topic, okay? And you can go to Quora, you can go to Reddit, you can go to Facebook, and you have to share this piece of content you have just written all around the internet, so that Google can actually recognize that people are actually getting interested in that piece, okay? And that is also creating a kind of buzz about your content, which is so important, because Google actually recognize authority when they see that most of the people are actually talking about it. It's just like recognizing a big person. So if you are connected with a millionaire, then you are someone, right? You are someone who is also a successful person, right? So in the same way, when authority websites will talk about you, when authority websites which are already performing really good in the eyes of search engines, in the eyes of Google, and if you will be getting backlinks from those websites to your content, you will see that Google is helping you to rank better, and you will see a lot growth in your SEO traffic. So I hope this video would have been useful for you. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, press the bell icon so that you can not miss my videos, and let me know in the comment box if you have any doubt regarding this. I'll see you soon. Take care.